Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to 2022 batch and this video is very important for freshers batches because so many candidates DM me on Instagram and some of the social media platform that when Infosys hiring for 2022 batch for B Tech, ME, M Tech, MCA roles and the hiring is other than NFTQ and Hack with Infi examination. So in this video, we are just to discuss about the some patterns for different examination from Infosys for the 2022 batch, and if it will hire in upcoming month, so they will hire for which role and what is the package. So in this video, we discuss about the complete process. So let's start the video. Okay. So first point. Okay. So I just take that. Okay. So first point that Infosys conduct its examination in two form like. We just know about that Infosys. Wait friends. Okay, Infosys just means conducted the drive in that like in on campus and off campus. Okay, so one important point that they are generally conducted the recruitment in the on-campus and off-campuses, and on-campuses drives are going now for the 2022 batches. What about the off-campus drive? Okay, because in the today's video we are generally discuss about the off-campus point of view. Okay, so there is a first examination that known as NFTQ and it is already done in the March month. Okay, March 2021. After that there is a Hack with Infi examination. Okay, that is hackathon from Infosys, and in this 3.6 LPA package, 5.5 or 5 LPA and 8 LPA package are there. For the role of system engineer, SES means digital specialist, and after that means there is a system engineer specialist, and after that power programmer. Okay, so this type of role they are generally that offer from off-campus hiring through the NFTQ examination and Hack with Infi. But the NFTQ and Hack with Infi examination and over. So generally, okay. So like if you are in 2022 batch, okay. So if you are in 2022 batch, so I am not wrong. So this is your 7th sem, and after December, okay. After December, I think from January or from December, your 8th sem will be start. Okay, 1 minute friends. 8th sem will be start. Okay, so after that there is important point that Infosys hire for SE role. Okay, most probably they are conducting the mass hiring for 2022 batch or for the other batches in the upcoming month, probably in the month of January to February or in the month of April. Okay, so this is the probably date for the Infosys 2022 batch hiring that they will conducted the hiring for the 2022 batch in this month. For the SE role, the package is 3.6 LPA, and in this the pattern is very different. One important point, there is aptitude plus pseudo code like verbal reasoning, logical reasoning, and that, and after that there is an interview. There is no coding round in that examination. Okay, there is no coding round in this examination. So one important point, they just mention there means the full pattern on the face prep website. You can just check the full pattern on the face prep website and on our channel also. I just explain all about the aptitude plus pseudo code plus interview. Okay, so this is the complete process for the system engineer role. But what they just hire through this means they just do the mass hiring. Okay, they just do the mass hiring in the month of January to February or April for 2022 batch, or it will be decided or dependent on Infosys team that when they will announce officially drive for the 2022 batch. But this is the very golden opportunity for 2022 batch. Like if you crack this system engineer examination and you will get the package of 3.6 LPA and you will be successfully placed in Infosys. Okay, and after that sometimes like in your 8th sem, so there is also opportunities from Infosys for the role of 5 LPA package, okay, 5 LPA and 8 LPA, okay. The power programmer and system engineer specialist, okay, so they will also hire for this role, but this will totally depend on Infosys team, okay. This will totally depend, I just make an star here because this will totally depend on Infosys team when they officially announced hiring for this role. But this is the very important that in the upcoming month hiring will be start for the 2022 batch, and if you are from 2022 batch like B Tech, MCA and so many courses, so you are eligible for this opportunity and you have to prepare according to them. So one important point, if you go to just a face prep website like Infosys off campus system engineer pattern face prep, okay, so if you just go to like that, so they just mention the previous eligibility criteria, what is the eligibility criteria that, and first is online test and technical HR interview, reasoning ability, technical ability, verbal, pseudocode and numerical, not the coding question you have to solve, but there are programming concept also. After that there is a Infosys technical round plus HR round, okay. So like the last date to apply for this opportunity, like this is the off campus drive for opportunity, so they just conducted the off campus drive for the 20th July 2021. So probably in the in this month period, like in the January to February or after some time, there will be drive from the Infosys, so you have to just prepare for that and you have to solve important topics, you have to solve important concept. First you have to just ready with your aptitude skills, and after that TR plus HR, okay. So as so many as practice interview questions and aptitude questions like technical ability, and on my channel I on the after some time there are some good videos that I posted for all of you that is related to aptitude preparation and interview preparation, okay. So this is the complete process that Infosys just mentioned that how they hire when Infosys hiring for the some different role, and this is the other than NFTQ and Hack with Info examination. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any another doubt, you can drop your comment in the comment section. And one important point, if you like the video, please share with your friends, and when the Infosys officially announced the hiring for 2022 batch, surely I will upload the video on the channel. Thanks for watching the video.